everyone, you are probably all very busy. I am also very busy as we approach Christmas Day. So I don't have a full-on episode. I just wanted to pop by to say thank you. Thank you for making this year an amazing one. Not just for me, but for all of us. Because I appreciate all of you who are commenting on my videos and commenting on everyone's comments. This is one way for us to really grow as a network, as a YouTube family. So as we reach the end of the year, we just want to make sure that we are ending it on a very high note. Don't sweat the mistakes we've done in the past, the problems you've had, because they make us better people. They showed us the right way. They allowed us to learn from our experience. And the good things that you've done, keep them going. Whatever it is that you discovered that's good for you, that built your self-esteem, that gave you self-confidence, keep doing that and don't ever give up. Keep raising your bar. And for all the memories, for all the experiences that you had during the past year, make sure to never forget them. So whatever faith it is that you practice, if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you celebrate the holidays and the joyful season, then have a wonderful holiday season. Whatever it is that we celebrate, whatever faith we have, we are all united in the fact that this season we show our love for the people around us. We spread joy and cheer. We are more generous than ever. We remember the unfortunate ones. We remember those who have left us. And we try to make every day a better day for all of us. So enjoy the festivities of the season, and thank you for dropping by even if you're very, very busy. I really am so grateful for all of you. I'll see you again in my next episode, and until the new year, make every moment count. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.